Good morning, students. In our previous video, we discussed 6th and 7th sums. Okay, now we have to discuss 8th sum in third exercise. So this is very important question and different question from this concept. If the sum of first n terms and AP is 4n minus m square, that means Sn, the sum of n terms Sn is given, that is 4n minus m square. What is first term? Here first term and their sum both are same. Both are same. Here S2 means what? The summation of two terms A1 plus A2. S3 means what? The summation of three terms A1 plus A2 plus A3. S4 means what? The summation of first four terms A2 plus A3 plus A4, like that. That means here the sum of first term and first term both are same. So that means S1 and A1 both are same. Okay. So here A1 and S1. Instead of n we have to substitute 1. So 4 into 1 minus 1 square. That means 4 minus 1, that equal to 3. That equal to 3. So that means S1 equal to A1 equal to how much? 3. Okay, next S2. S2 means what? A1 plus A2. Sum of first two terms A1 plus A2 equal to S2. So S2 equal to, okay, instead of n you have to substitute 2. 4 to the 8 minus 4, that equal to 4. Okay, so 4 to the 8 minus 2 square means 4, that equal to 4. That equal to 4. So how to find A2 here? Okay, therefore A2 means second term is equal to S2. Here A1 and S1 are both are same. That means S2 equal to A2 equal to S2. This is plus A1 of transposition minus A1. So S2 minus A1 means S1. That equal to S2 4 and S1 3, that equal to 1. We got second term here. Okay. So how to find A2? A2 means if you want to find out A2, you subtract A1. Here A1 means what? S1. Okay, you subtract S1, you get A2. Next, S3, third term. What is the third term? Third term means first term, second term and third term. The summation of first, second, third term is known as S3. So S3 equal to, instead of n we have to substitute 3. 4 into 3 minus 3 square. 4 3 is 12 minus 9, that equal to how much? 3. That equal to 3. How much? 3. Okay. How to find A3 now? So already you know S1 plus S2. A1 plus A2 equal to how much? S2. So A1 plus A2 equal to S2 plus A3 equal to S3. Okay. So therefore A3 equal to S3 minus S2. Okay. So this is plus S2 of transposition minus S2. Okay. S3 equal to 3 minus S2 equal to 4. Okay. So here S3 equal to 3, this one, and minus S2 equal to 4, that equal to minus. Next one. Okay. This is first one and this is second one and this is third one. Now fourth one, next one, S4. S4. S4 means what? The sum of first four terms. That means A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is equal to S4. Is equal to S4. S4 means what? The sum of first four terms. That equal to S4. We have to find out S4. Okay, instead of n, you have to substitute 4. 4 minus 4 square. 16 minus 16, that equal to 0. Okay, already know a1 plus a2 plus a3. a1 plus a2 plus a3 means the sum of 3 terms, that is known as s3 plus a4 is equal to s4. Okay, how to find a4 now? Fourth term a4 equal to s4 minus s3. Okay, that equal to s4 means 0 minus s3 equal to 2, that equal to minus 3. This is fourth one. Okay, so we have to find out terms like that. Okay. Here a1 3, a2 1, a3 minus 1, a4 minus 3. Anyway, if you want to find out the nth term, an equal to, this is 4, this is also 4, that means Sn. Here 4 is there, this one also 4. N is there, this one also n. Sn minus, okay, 4 minus 1 equal to 3, that means Sn minus 1. So if you want to find out a 10th term, a10 equal to simply s10 minus s9. You get 10th term also. Okay, so this is very important property. Okay, now what do you want? We want to find out one by one. What is first term? Already we found it. First term equal to 3. What is the sum of first two terms? That means s2. S2 equal to how much? 4. Already we found. What is second term? What is second term? A2 equal to 1. Already found it. And A3 means third term. Already we found it. That is minus 1. We have to find out A10 and AN also. Okay. So now one by one. Okay. So what is first one? First term. First term a1. Okay, already we have found that one. What is that? A1 equal to 3. And next one, what is the sum of two terms? Sum of two terms equal to s2. Okay, already we found it. What is that? s2 equal to 4. Next, what is second term? Second term A2 equal to how much? 1. And what is A3 third term? A3 here A3 equal to how much? Minus 1. Okay, next one, 10th term. 10th term A10 equal to S10 like this minus S9. So S10 instead of n you have to substitute 10. 4 into S10 instead of n you have to substitute 10 minus 10 square. Okay, 4 into 10 minus 10 square minus S9 4 into 9 minus 9 square. Okay, that means 40 minus 100 minus 36 minus 81 minus 81. 40 minus 100 minus 36 minus 81. So that equal to minus 60 minus of minus 45. So that equal to minus 60 plus 45, that equal to minus 50. That equal to minus 50. Okay. Otherwise you have to find A10. A10 equal to A plus 90. Already you know first term and you have to find out the common difference. You have to find out A10 also. Okay. Second method to find the term A10. Okay. Or we have to use this method also. A10 means A plus 90. Here A means first term that equal to 3 plus 9 into D. D means common difference. Here first term 3 and the second term is 1. Okay, 3 1. So D equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, A2 equal to 1 minus A1, that equal to 3, that equal to minus 2. So 3 minus 18. Okay, plus 9 into minus 2, that equal to minus 18, that equal to minus 5, minus 15. Okay, you use any one of the method. If you use any method, you get same answer. A10 equal to how much? Minus 15. Okay, next, as well as you have to find an. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, a means first term. What is first term here? 3 first term, 3 plus n minus 1 into d. Already we found it, minus 2. So 3 plus minus 2 into n, minus 2n, minus of minus plus 1 2 is. So that equal to 5 minus 2n. An equal to 5 minus 2n. Okay, so an means simply Sn minus 1. Sn minus 1. You use this one, or you directly have to find A and D. You have to substitute both of them. You get the same answer. Okay, this is a 4 marks question, very important and different question. You practice 2 or 3 times. Okay.